Good morning, students. Today I am explaining the exercise 1.2 problem solving. To write the absolute value of the given number, the first number is 3 upon minus 7, the second number is minus 5, the third number is 8 upon 3. We write the absolute value is equal to 3 upon minus 7. We write the mode 3 upon minus 7. The minus is converted into the positive form. So the answer is 3 upon 7. Here is the minus 7 converted into the positive form is called absolute value. Here is the minus 5. So mode of minus 5 equal to 5. The minus, this is the integers converted into the positive integers. Here is 8 upon 3. Mode of 8 upon 3. Here is always positive integers. So we do not convert, only 8 by 3. Next questions. Verify mode of minus a is equal to mode of a. In two questions, minus 3 upon 5. The second question is 5 upon minus 6. So first of all, mode of minus a. Here is the mode of here is the minus value, mode of minus a. Here is the mode of minus a. First of all, mode of a. Here is the a is equal to minus 3 upon 5. A is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Okay. So minus a is equal to, first we write the minus a. Minus a is equal to, here is the minus multiply by minus 3 upon 5. What is the value? 3 upon 5. Okay. Now mode of minus a, mode of minus a. Mode of minus a is equal to 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5. Here is the a is equal to minus 3 upon 5. In the LHS, minus mode of a. Minus mode of a. So minus a, first we write the minus a is equal to minus, given that minus 3 upon 5, minus minus plus is equal to 3 upon 5. Again write the minus mode of a is equal to 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5. Similarly, mode of a. Here is the first mode of a. The value of a is equal to minus 3 upon a. So mode of a is equal to minus 3 upon 5 mode. Mode of a, in this value, mode of a is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Also 3 upon 5. Both value are same. So we can write minus mode of a is equal to mode of a. In this case, similarly, we can write the a is equal to, suppose that here is the a, in the LHS is equal to minus a. Minus a is equal to minus 5 upon minus 6. Minus minus eliminate is equal to 5 upon 6. Again write minus mode of a is equal to mode of 5 upon 6 equal to 5 upon 6. Next, in the right side, mode of a. The a is equal to what? 5 upon minus 6. Mode of a. The value of a is equal to 5 upon minus 6. Here is the negative integers converted into the positive integers is equal to 5 upon 6. Here is the first. Here is the second. So we write mode of minus a is equal to mode of a. Both are equal. Next question, to verify that mode of a plus b. Here is the mode a plus b is either less than or equal to mode of a plus mode of b. Here is the separately mode of a and separately mode of b. But here is the both are common, mode of a plus b. So first we write that mode of a plus b. What is the value? A plus b. A plus b is equal to, the place of a is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Here is the denominator are unequal. So we write the LCM. Here the denominator are differentiated. So we taking the LCM. LCM is equal to 4. Divided by 2 to the 4, we get the value 2. 2 multiplied by minus 3, minus 6. Plus divided by 4 to LCM 4, we get the value 1. 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. We get the value, here the minus is the bigger value, plus is the smaller value. So sign will be minus. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 upon 4. Here is the value of a plus b is equal to minus 3 upon 4. After that, mod of a plus b equal to mod of minus 3 upon 4. The value will be 3 upon 4. This is the equation first. After that, write the modes separately a and separately b. Again, a is equal to minus 3 upon 2. A is equal to minus 3 upon 2. So we write mod of a is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Mod of is equal to 3 upon 2. Here is the a is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Mod of a is equal to minus 3 upon 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Next question b. B is equal to 3 by 4. So write that mod of b. Mod of b is equal to 3 by 4. Mod of 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. So separately we can write mod of a plus mod of b. Mod of a is equal to, what is the value? 3 by 2 plus mod of b is equal to 3 by 4. So we can write, taking the LCM is equal to 4. Now divided by 2 to the 4, we get the value 2. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Plus here is the denominator 4. Divided by 4 to 4, we get the value 1. 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. Is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 upon 4. What is the value? Here is the mod of a plus b is equal to 3 by 4. Here is the mod of separately a plus b is equal to 9 by 4. Here is the second. Mod of a plus b is equal to 3 by 4. Here is the separately mod of a and separately mod of b is equal to 9 upon 4. Which is greater? This is greater and this is the smaller. So we can write mod of a plus b is less than separately mod of a plus mod of b. Here is the 3 upon 4, here is the 9 upon 4. Here is the bigger, denominator are same. This is the bigger, this is the smaller. This is the bigger, this is the smaller. So we can say that mod of a plus b is less than mod of a plus mod of b. Now next questions, to verify that mod of a cross b equal to separately mod of a multiply the separately mod of b. Here is the given question, a is equal to minus 1 by 3 and b is equal to 1 by 2. First we write that a cross b. First we write that a cross b. What is the value? A is equal to minus 1 by 3 into the value of b 1 by 2. We get the value 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to minus 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. Here is the a cross b is equal to minus 1 upon 6. After that, mod of a cross b. A cross b